Hey there, welcome to my channel Mahesh English Times. Thank you so much for liking my videos and subscribing my channel. This video is dedicated to my PhD scholars who are doing PhD in English literature. So during the journey when you start writing the thesis, before you start writing the thesis, there is one particular thing which you need to write and submit, and that is called as literature review. So let's try to understand what is literature review and what is the format of writing literature review. Let's see. So let's see what is literature review. So the word review basically means to view something again. So here we are reviewing or viewing something again, and what that is the literature, is the books, movies, websites which deal with the areas of your research. The books, articles, research papers which are dealing with your research topic. So that is literature review, to analyze what previous work has been done on the same topic, the topic which you have chosen. What work has been earlier done on that particular topic, that is actually literature review. Now, what are the steps of writing the literature review? So, first we need to select our topic. So, I'm giving a suggestion. I'll take one example. So, we're taking the example of Milton's Paradise Lost. So, John Milton has written this epic called the collection of poems called Paradise Lost. Suppose you choose Milton's Paradise Lost as your topic. So, that will be your topic. Now you search the literature related to it. So there are so many books published on Milton's Paradise Lost. There are so many research papers written on Milton's Paradise Lost. So after reviewing and going through those books and research papers and journals, then you develop an argument. That means that you decide that you want to do on the religious aspect covered in Paradise Lost, or you want to cover the social aspect, or you want to cover the political aspect, or mythological, or for that matter any aspect, one particular theme, one particular aspect that you find interesting in Paradise Lost. So that topic you need to decide after reviewing and after going through those books. So once you decide that, for example, suppose you want to analyze the social aspects covered in Milton's Paradise Lost, then you do the survey again whether social aspects in Paradise Lost have been covered by any other researcher or by any other book writer. Then you search for that, then analyze, critique the literature, and then analyze that what work has been done on particularly the social aspect of Milton's Paradise Lost, and whether there is something missing, whether there is something which you find appealing, which you find interesting in the social aspect and has not been covered by the previous authors and writers. So then you write your review. So these are the steps while writing the literature review. Select a topic, search the literature related to the topic, develop your own argument on that topic or that research question, survey the literature related to your research question, analyze it, criticize it, and then ultimately write the literature review. Now, format that is usually followed in various universities are differing from each other, but the standard format is usually the review literature or literature review is of around 15 to 20 pages, not more than that. And the chapterization, it goes like you write the introduction, you introduce your topic that you suppose we are doing on the social aspects of Milton's Paradise Lost. This is what you have decided. So how is, you have to write something about John Milton, you have to write something about Paradise Lost, and what social aspects you're going to cover or what interesting you find. So that will be the introduction. Then summary of the research paper. So on the social aspects of Milton's Paradise Lost, which other papers, which other journals, or which other theses have been written on the same research question. So that summary, that means the title of the research paper, the name of the researcher, who has done research on the same topic, that list you have to give. Suppose there are 5 people who have done research or who have done research articles on the social aspects of Milton's Paradise Lost. So you have to in one paragraph each give a summary of each of those research papers, write the name of the writer of the research paper as well as the title of that researcher. And then of course comes the conclusion, what you are trying to conclude. Of course it is not the conclusion of your thesis, but through your research question, what you are trying to, expected outcome that you have, what you are trying to figure out. And ultimately the list of references, which includes the books and the websites which you have consulted while making the review of literature. So all these aspects. Now the summary of the previous articles. The most important aspect in literature review is, apart from introduction and conclusion, is which other papers, which other journals, which other theses have been written on the similar topic which you have chosen. So there are various ways of writing that also. Some people make a table, and they list out 5 research articles on this particular topic has been written. So that first point is this topical order. So they are following an order where the order in which you are mentioning the journals or research papers which have been written on a similar topic have been organized on the main topic. Suppose the social aspect, so on particularly social aspect which researcher has written on Milton's Paradise Lost, or there are even others who have written on political aspects, religious aspects, so that also you can mention. So according to the aspects covered on that same topic, that is topical order. Then chronological order, that means the research papers that have been written very recently on Milton's Paradise Lost and going back to times maybe 10 years back. So in that order, from the recent one to the previous ones, that order you can give the list of research papers. And lastly, the problem cause solution, it means you have to organize those articles as it moves from problem to solution. So you are analyzing the social aspects of Milton's Paradise Lost and how it has been analyzed till date, what solution they have come up, how social aspects are even relevant today in the contemporary society as mentioned in Milton's Paradise. So based on that you arrange. So how you are arranging the research articles which we have got on the same topic, that is mentioned in the summary of previous articles. And what is ultimately the purpose of writing this literature review is to find the research gap. What has been done till now and where you find that this particular aspect has been left untouched by the researchers, by the PhD scholars in their thesis, that particular untouched aspect or topic you are going to take up in your thesis. So that is research gap. Through literature review, you come to know that this particular work has been done, this much has been done, but there has been some areas which are left out, some aspects has been remained untouched, and that you're going to take up in your literature review. So this is about literature review specifically for students who are doing it on English literature. I hope this video has been a big help to you. Thank you so much for watching.